I'm the sniper, and I'm here to take a few trades with you and show you why I love these blue chart arrows so much, because they are what helps me know when to trade and why I should be into a trade. Well, let's take a look. First off, in order for me to take a trade, I'm definitely gonna need a 5 minute in my direction, a 15 minute in my direction, and a 1 hour in my direction. I love to go with trend, but if I'm not going with trend, then I need a 1 hour and a 4 hour, then a 15 minute and a 5 minute to take it that way. But luckily, we're looking at the UJ. We're going with trend, so all we would need is a 1 hour chart arrow to go with us with the 5 minute and the 15 minute. Then we get the blue chart arrow with momentum. I'm into the trade. And on the blue chart arrows, just like on the 5 minute and the 15, we don't want to be trying to go up whenever we have a blue chart arrow still going up. We wait. We don't want to be going down when we have a blue chart arrow going up. We wait for a new blue chart arrow and momentum, then we'll take that trade down with the setup on the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and the 1 hour. So let's take a look at the UJ. Let's see what we're doing. And I see a lot of people have problems recognizing the re-entry into a trade. So we're going to start off a little bit behind on the UJ. After a big move has already started and already went, we're going to wait for it to retrace, give us signals to know that we're going to get in, and we're going to take it back down. So right now on the UJ, what I would be thinking is, if I want to go up, I almost have everything that tells me I can go up. I have a band on the 5-minute BB band. On the 15-minute BB band. I have a 15-minute arrow going up. I have a 5-minute arrow going up. I have a blue chart arrow going up now and momentum. But I'm not entering a trade because I don't have a 1 hour chart arrow telling me I can go up. So I'd still be waiting to go down. So we're waiting. If we don't get a 1 hour arrow going up, we're not taking this trade up at all. So I know it's exciting seeing all this momentum flash, and you're seeing a super on the 15 and the 5-minute, and you got a blue chart arrow, but still we're not taking that up. We're looking to go down because we haven't got no 1 hour arrow. So we're gonna use it as if this 5 minutes telling us we're going to the 5-minute band. We got a 15-minute arrow, so it's telling us it's going up to the 15-minute orange road. So we're gonna wait it out. Now we're getting a blue chart arrow going down. We're gonna need a 15-minute arrow. A 5-minute arrow to come in going down, and we're gonna need this 15-minute arrow to disappear for us to go down. We're gonna need momentum on the UJ going red and a DX to go red also. We haven't gotten that, and we're getting more momentum. And that blue chart arrow disappeared, so that wasn't a move. It's letting us know that's not a move yet. You wait it out. So it's still going up. The 15-minute has turned super. So now we still don't have a 1 hour telling us we can go up. So we're still not taking UJ up. So now we're waiting for this 15-minute to go pierce through the orange road. We're looking for it to either get a new 15-minute signal or this 15-minute signal to break down and lose its signal with the 5-minute going down and a blue chart arrow going down, momentum red and DX red. We haven't gotten that yet. We still don't have a 1 hour, so we're still not trading. We're letting whatever crazies want to take this, let them take that trade. So there's people that win that, so they can have it. But we don't take it for the times that we could lose it. Just forming good habits. I'm going to skip forward just a little bit more. Don't want the video to be too long. But it does take plenty of patience, you guys, to wait for everything to come in your way. Just know you're not the only one waiting, so just wait it out. Just wait it out for the best entry we can get. Okay. Now we have this super pink on the blue chart. Well, that's what I call it. A white and a pink on a blue chart is like a super pink on the 5-minute chart. It's the same thing. They mean business. So Whenever one of these comes in, we're looking to take it down. We still haven't gotten a 1 hour chart arrow to come down, so we're not taking it down. It touched the 15-minute band, didn't get a 1 hour. We're looking for this to break down. We got a 5-minute red coming in now. We're looking for the DX to go, for the momentum to turn red and the DX to turn red, then we're going to enter that trade. But we're not going to enter it before the DX turns red, and we're not going to enter it before the momentum turns red, no matter what signals come up. Look at that super pink. It means business. We get momentum on the UJ. We got the 5-minute red. This 15-minute has broken down to a small red. If the DX switches, we're into that trade. But we're not taking it until the DX switches. So we're waiting. DX hasn't switched, so it's going back up. Another reason why we didn't take it. Still got our 5-minute down. 1 hour down. 4 hour down. Get more momentum. DX switched. I think that's 1133, 11133. We're in. We have our DX, we have our momentum, we have our 5-minute. This 15-minute has disappeared from the super. We have our 1 hour, we have our 4 hour. We're in this trade. Open TP, we've stacked it twice. Because I do a open TP stack twice with a stop loss of 10. Then after I take my initial trade, I wait for another entry, and I get back in and I stack twice with a 5 TP, 10 stop loss. We're waiting for momentum to take us back down. We haven't gotten a blue chart arrow telling us it's going up. So we don't need a new blue chart arrow to tell us it's going down. So with momentum, we're going to take it down again. We're going to stack it twice. 5 TP. Still no momentum. We're not in the trade. Waiting. Sorry if you hear some snoring in the background. I got an American Bully, and whenever she sleeps, she sleeps. Still no momentum, so we haven't entered again. But whenever we get momentum, we haven't had a blue chart arrow come against us, so we don't need a new one. So we get momentum, we're taking it down. Still waiting. This takes a lot of patience. You gotta wait it out sometimes. It all doesn't just happen 100 pip moves in 5 minutes all the time. When it does, there's a blue chart arrow for that. But definitely waiting for momentum. Come on, momentum on the UJ. Somebody's in there asking for momentum right now. Come on, momentum on the UJ. Come on, momentum on the UJ. Say it with me, guys. Come on, momentum on the UJ. No, I'm just playing. Got a little bored. But still no momentum. Still not taking another trade. We haven't got no 5-minute signal disappearing or no blue chart arrow against us, so we're not taking it up. We're not taking our trade out either. We're just waiting for another entry to go down. The 15-minute arrow did come back. but no new 5 minutes. So we're looking for that to break down again. Okay. Touches the orange road. Gets close to the orange road again. We get momentum, we take it down. The 15 is broken down. It just wanted to come up and touch this yellow band. For what reason, I don't know. But we got momentum. 2-5, we're in. And the UJ 2-5 down with momentum. We have the blue chart arrow still there. We have a 5 minute super still there. 15 disappeared again. We're waiting to keep it going down. We're still waiting to get out the trade for it to hit our TP of 5. That'll be 10 pips coming into the bank. We're getting plenty of momentum down there at the bottom, flashing away. Top momentum's flashed in. And boom, we're banging. 2-1. We're looking for 1 pip. Boom, we're out. We're out. That's 10 pips in the bank. Somebody say UJ10. Yeah, so that's perfect right there. Perfect entry. Nice, perfect re-entry again with the momentum. No blue chart arrow came against us, so it's letting me know I can just get in with momentum only off of the orange road touch on the blue chart. Then boom, take it back down, bang it. No 5 minute came against us. We're still in. Skip forward a little bit. Still came down. Where would I be out at? It's going up. We're going to let it continue to go up. Boom, it came down again. I don't think momentum flashed. Momentum didn't turn green, so I'm definitely not out of the trade yet. We're staying in, just kind of skipping around. DX is flashing green. Still no 5 minute candle against us. Boom, DX flashes again. Haven't gotten any momentum again. And the video's over, so I don't have any more film. But you guys, wait for the setup. If you like Nico's, we need a 1 hour, we need a 15 minute, we need a 5 minute. We get our blue chart arrow and momentum, boom, take it, bang the table. Every time. If you're not comfortable doing open TP, do 5 TP and take your 5 TP every single time. You wait for momentum, you wait for the setup, you get momentum, you have the 1 chart, the blue chart arrow, take it, bang the table. This is Kevin the Sniper. I'm hoping you enjoy this and you take what I give you and make billions, you guys. I hope this helps you succeed more. I hope it helps with knowing what's a bong hole trade and what's not, knowing what to take it and when to take it. I just hope the blue chart arrows helps a lot and it opens everybody's eyes to the blue chart arrows and knowing that they're a trigger for entry. It's Kevin the Sniper. I'm out.